Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create a beautiful straight smooth blow dry. So the first thing we're going to do is apply our smoothing spray. This will help create a nicer finish to the hair. Now you want to go in with your heat protector to reduce heat damage to the hair. Turning the hair ensures that you are covering and protecting all areas. Now brush the hair through, making sure you don't have any knots. Now moving on to sectioning the hair. You want to have two sections at the front, one on one side and then one on the other side. Then you're left with your one section at the back. Separate that section to give you your first section to work on. Your first section should be taken from the nape of the neck. Taking a large round brush and hairdryer, you want to direct the airflow down whilst brushing through the hair. So holding your hairdryer at a downwards diagonal angle. You want to make sure you use your round brush under the hair. Once the hair is dry, move on to your next section. Top tip, to help with frizz, take your round brush on top of the hair. Keep going until all of the hair is dry. Just keep taking new sections and repeating the process until all of the hair at the back is blow dried. Keep the hairdryer moving, not in one place, so you don't burn the hair. Now you can run through the hair with a paddle brush to make sure there isn't any knots, and also ensuring the hair is lovely and smooth. Keep blow drying the hair until all of the hair is completely dry. Now move your client to the side and repeat this process to that side of the hair. Another tip is that you want to avoid going over the same pieces of hair to reduce damage. If the hair is dry, try to avoid running over the same pieces of hair more than 3 times. Now turn your client to the other side and repeat the process on that side of the hair. And that is the hair all complete. I can't believe how nice it looks. Thank you very much for watching this straight, smooth blow dry demo.